In this tutorial, I will show you how to use a radio menu item. Let's create a new project. Let me copy package to FXML documents. Idea is when you select one item out of multiple, you should be able to stay with only one. It's pretty much the same as a radio button. Let's open with the sim builder. So let me start with heading menu bar. Enlarge it. So we are going to add one more menu. Okay, and it comes with one menu item, so let me remove. Now we go back here, we add radio menu item. Let's say 3 of them. This one will change to payment option. First radio menu item, I'll call it as a cache. Checks. Debit cards. Let's add the FX ID. I will use initial called RMI, radio menu item. Toggle group, I will say TG payments. It's already there, so let me add it. RMI checks. RMI debit card. Toggle group. Make controller. So we have TG payments. We need to add it manually. So RMI cache set toggle group with TG payments. Checks set toggle group. Last one is debit cards. Set toggle group. For simple demonstration, I will use handler cache, event handler. This one RMI cache is selected. Then I'm going to print to label. Set text, I will just say cache payment is selected. Clean and build. So when you click here, hello world, cache is selected. It changed. It was just like a radio buttons. That's the idea of a radio menu item. That's it. Thank you.